Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I am here in Washington, D.C. I'm based in Washington, D.C. Our law firm practices only immigration law. So we help people come into the U.S. We help people that are in the U.S. extend their status, change to a different status. And we help people that maybe do not have status in the United States obtain status if they're able to do it lawfully. We start our engagements with all potential clients by having a consultation. Our consultations are by Zoom, by phone, and in person. I'll go more into that in just a little bit, but I just want to say hello to all the folks here that are joining us. We're streaming live on Facebook, on YouTube, and on TikTok. Again, that's Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Follow us and like us if you don't already. If you aren't already getting the notifications from us, make sure you follow us and like us so you can be notified when I'm on here live. We are based in Washington, D.C. I'm an immigration attorney. I only practice U.S. immigration law, but we help with all different types of immigration cases, including employment cases. We help with family cases where family members are sponsoring brothers and sisters or parents. We do a lot of parent cases, actually. And we also help with humanitarian cases like VAWA for victims of abuse. We help with U visas for victims of crime. We help with T visas for victims of trafficking. Hey, Eleanor, nice to see you. I hope you're doing well. Great. Well, if you are joining me for the first time, please say hello. Tell me where you're watching from. And this is a great opportunity for you to ask the questions that you might have. So make sure that you put your questions in here. Of course, I can't give you legal advice specific to your case, but the idea is that you receive something that is helpful. It's general about immigration. Since I don't know your immigration history, my answer might not necessarily apply to you, but I can give you some general immigration information to help you get a better understanding of U.S. immigration law. Okay? Hey, Jacutie. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining. Say hello, guys. Tell me where you're watching from. If you have something that you're thinking about, if you're thinking about an application, if you're figuring out something about immigration, this is a really good opportunity to ask that question. I'm going to start off with our question of the day. If you're just joining, I see some folks here on TikTok that are just coming on. If you're just joining, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients literally all throughout the United States and abroad with immigration issues, with immigration applications. We're based in DC. We do have clients all over the place. Actually, today I was just in New York to represent someone in a citizenship interview. It was awesome. It was really exciting. If you haven't already subscribed to our newsletter, I would highly suggest you go and do that. Send us an email on our firm website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. You can get on there and let us know that you want to subscribe to our newsletter. And you will hear all about our wonderful experience today where my client's citizenship was approved. Next up is the oath ceremony. We're super, super excited for her. She was incredibly nervous, but I knew she could do it. It's wonderful to meet some of these clients in person. We do go and we represent for the interview throughout the United States. So if you would like to work with us, even though we're based in Washington, D.C., we can represent you no matter where you're located. And we do also provide representation at the interview as well, if your case is one that has an interview. Okay, give us a call if you'd like to learn more or find out if we might be able to help you with your immigration questions to help you obtain status in the United States. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. And a reminder to share this post with others if you think that they might also benefit from this immigration conversation, right? So I'm on here frequently. I engage with you, but hopefully I also help you. Learn about immigration as well. Okay. All right. So here's a really interesting question. I don't think this has come up before, but this is a wonderful question. Can I qualify for VAWA? Right? So can I qualify for VAWA if the abuser is in jail, right? Can I qualify for VAWA if the abuser is in jail? So remember, VAWA is a humanitarian protection that can many times also lead to a green card for the person that is applying. So to qualify for VAWA, what you need is to be married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, or recently divorced from a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. It has to be a real marriage entered into to start a life with this person, right? If you're doing a marriage-based VAWA. You have to have lived with them for any period of time, and there has to be abuse in the marriage. So that abuse can be psychological, mental. Many types of abuses are usually present in a VAWA case. If that person is in jail, you can still qualify for VAWA if you hit all of those requirements. In fact, we have clients whose abusive spouse is in jail. They wouldn't otherwise be able to receive a green card through them because of whatever crime that this person had committed. But because their relationship and the nature of it and what has taken place between the two of them amounts to abuse and they qualify on every other level, they can apply for VAWA and a green card on their own without the help of their spouse. This is huge because even if, let's say, the spouse was willing to sponsor them, they might not be able to because of the crime that they've been convicted of, right? So certain felonies cannot, if you're convicted of a certain felony, you might not be eligible to sponsor your spouse. So VAWA, if all of the facts align and help you qualify for VAWA, if you're able to qualify, you can move forward with that, even though the petitioner has a felony. Okay, so that's something you definitely want to think about and get screened for. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. If you don't know me, my name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I am in Washington, D.C. My clients are all throughout the United States. As I mentioned earlier, I just came from a citizenship interview, which is one of my favorite things to go to. I came from a citizenship interview in New York. We have many clients in New York, but we also have clients all throughout the United States, Seattle, California, Texas, you name it. We're there. Hi, Sabor. Hi, Wender. Nice to see you guys, and thank you so much for joining. Winston says, hope you're doing all right, Pratibha. I'm from Alabama. Hello, Winston. Thank you for joining. Wonderful to see you. If you have some immigration related questions, feel free to drop it into the chat here. We are streaming live on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Yes, that's TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And I'm here to help you learn about immigration, hopefully get a little bit familiar with us, our style, the way our law firm works. We're based here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. So if you have questions on employment-based cases, if you want a green card through your employer, if you would like to apply for an H-1B, that's popular right now since the lottery registration is opening up pretty soon. Those are employment cases that we do very frequently. There are other types as well, and you might qualify for that. So give us a call if you want to discuss. And also humanitarian cases, which is a really large part of our practice. We help many people who are married to U.S. citizens and green card holders. They are victims of abuse or their spouse is refusing to sponsor their green card. That is one of our most common case types, and our team loves doing these case types. They're VAWA, and most of our VAWA clients also qualify for a green card. So we will help them with both. Again, this green card is something that they can apply for on their own, even if they're married to a U.S. citizen or green card holder who will not sponsor their application or is using that as a way to control and manipulate that person, right? So you're able to do that. They can move forward with that VAWA petition and green card application on their own without the help of their spouse. All right, give us a call if we can help you with that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Shani says, my husband got deported. Can you fight his case? So if he's already deported, we'd have to explore the options for him to come back. So I'm not sure. I don't know about your specific case, but if someone has already been removed, I'm sorry to hear that. I know that can be very stressful for them and also for their family, probably for you, Shani, as well. If they've if they've been ordered removed, there's a possibility for appeal. We do not take removal cases right now, so we're not taking removal cases at the moment for cases in immigration court. We limit the number of immigration court cases that we take so we can devote resources and attention to them, and at the moment we are not taking any. So we cannot help you if you are in removal proceedings, but we may be able to help you file for something like a VAWA, even if you are in removal proceedings, which could help you terminate proceedings. So happy to talk to you about that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. If you're just joining, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. We have a small firm right now. I think we have about seven employees. We have a legal team. We also have a sales and marketing team, and we all work together on all cases. So we try to be very efficient, and our goal is to provide really excellent customer service, and you will see that from the moment you contact us. So you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration is the handle, to schedule a consultation. That's on our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle. You can schedule your consultation directly from that page. You'll see my availability, and you can book on the calendar right there and make the payment right there as well. You can also check out our website if you want to learn more about us, see some of the articles that we've posted. You can check out agarwalimmigration.com, and that has a lot of information that might be helpful to you on the types of cases that we handle, a little bit about our firm, and about me and my background as well. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. We help with all types of immigration applications, including family, humanitarian, and business immigration cases as well. Okay? Perfect. Heads up, if you don't already follow us on social media, we're on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok right now. If you don't already follow us, just make sure you follow us so you can be notified when I am live, and join us and ask your questions, or just participate and learn about immigration a little bit. If you have friends or family that might be interested in immigration, if they want to learn about immigration, if they have questions, they can put it into the chat and join me as well. So share this post with them. Just as a heads up, what I provide here is just for information purposes. Since I don't know your immigration history, it's really hard for me to talk about a specific case here. And of course, nothing is confidential or protected since we have many folks joining here at the same time. So thank you for joining me, and feel free to put your questions on here. So I'm seeing some. If I don't get to it, I promise you, I will try to get to it the next time I'm live. Multani, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Multani says, VAWA approved my work permit, but they denied my application. I don't know why. What should I do next? I'm sorry, Multani, to hear that. So what you should do is see the decision, right? So they usually, if they make a decision on your case, they will explain to you what that reason was. So read that and see what that is, and you might consider either appealing if you think that the decision is wrong, or you can reapply, right? So that with better evidence. So those are your two options. Know that an appeal, there's usually a time limit on it, which is about a month. So you want to line up an attorney, make sure that they can analyze the decision for you. You kind of talk through, is there additional evidence? Was it a wrong decision? Is it better to reapply, or is it better to appeal? Okay, call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. All right, I entered illegally. Can I still qualify for a VAWA self-petition? I entered the United States illegally. Can I still qualify for a VAWA self-petition? That is a great question, and the answer is yes. If you entered the U.S. without inspection, you just crossed the border, coyote helped you, you came by yourself, and you don't have a legal entry, you might not be able to get a green card regularly through your spouse if your spouse sponsors you. But if you qualify for VAWA, you can apply and qualify for a green card. All of the steps are completed inside the United States. You would not have to leave the United States to receive your green card. Okay, so if you're married to a US citizen or a green card holder, you might want to get screened for VAWA, even if you had an illegal entry, just to see if you can qualify without even having the help of your spouse to apply for this petition. Okay, give us a call if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com, and schedule your consultation right now directly from those pages. My office assistant is not there right now, right? Our office closes at 6 p.m. Eastern time, so she is not available at the moment. However, if you do call and leave a message, we will certainly give you a call back tomorrow. Even if you don't leave a message, we're going to give you a call back tomorrow. And we can help you schedule your consultation on the phone, answer any preliminary questions that you might have about what a consultation is like. But if it's about your specific case, we unfortunately will require a consultation, since my assistant is just helping schedule. And if you need legal advice, we will need to get you on the calendar for a consultation. Okay? My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We help with all types of immigration applications. We only practice U.S. immigration law, so that means helping people come into the U.S. or helping people obtain status, immigration status here in the United States lawfully. So let us know if we can help you. If you have questions, you can reach me at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration is the handle. You can schedule your consultation with us directly from there. You can also check out our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, AGARWAL immigration.com. And read about us, learn more, but also schedule a consultation from there as well. Sobo says, how soon can I apply for a green card? I won asylum in April 2023. Wow, Sobo, congratulations. Congratulations. That is amazing. You can apply 1 year after receiving your asylum grant, right? So after 1 year after being granted asylum, you can apply for adjustment of status and receive a green card. So that would be the April of this year. So you might want to engage an attorney to start preparing this for you. If we can help you, reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help with all types of immigration applications. Can I file a petition for my new wife that lives abroad if I filed before for my ex-wife years ago? Yes, of course. Yes, you can. You have to just make sure that your divorce from your first wife is documented, right? So your divorce is finalized. The marriage to your new wife occurred after the divorce from the first wife. And if the marriage is legal in the location where you got married, there's nothing preventing you from applying to petition your new spouse as well. And you should. Of course, you want to be together with your spouse here in the United States, and you have a right to do that even if you were previously married. You sponsored your spouse, and that didn't work out. That does happen with marriages. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. And then you got remarried, and of course you can sponsor your new spouse. If we can help you with that green card process, I would love to be involved. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. If you'd like to schedule a consultation right now while you're thinking about it, go ahead to our Facebook site, which is Agarwal Immigration, is the handle, AGARWAL Immigration is the handle for our Facebook page, and you can schedule a consultation directly from the Facebook page right now, or you can check out our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right, guys. Okay. Can I apply? This is actually a really, really good question. Can I apply if my stepchild is abusive towards me? So if you have a U.S. citizen stepchild, can you qualify for VAWA? right? So what does VAWA require? So VAWA, if you're doing a parent-based VAWA, requires that you have a U.S. citizen child who is 21 or over. And yes, a stepchild will count if you've lived with them for a certain amount of time before they turn 14. I believe I can confirm that. But a stepchild does qualify as a child for you to apply for a VAWA. So if your stepchild is abusive towards you, emotionally, physically, if they're rude towards you, you live with them for a certain amount of time, and the abuse can be emotional, it can be financial, it can be psychological, right? There's many different types of abuse. Sometimes there's physical, but it's not required for VAWA. If all of that is present, then you can certainly apply for VAWA, even if it is a stepchild. So there are certain requirements to have that stepchild qualify as your child. So the marriage has had to occur at a certain point. So if it's a new marriage and they're over 21, you may not be able to use your stepchild to qualify. You may be able to apply for something else like a U visa or a T visa, right? Depending on the facts that are involved. However, if you want to apply for VAWA based on a stepchild, the child has to be 21 or over at this point. The abuse has to have occurred. You've had to have lived with that child, and the marriage to their biological parent needs to have occurred. I think it's before the child is 14. But give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation directly from our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. And I would love to chat with you by Zoom, by phone, or some folks love to come in person. I'd love to meet you in person also. So many different options to do a consultation. I would love to listen to your immigration situation and see if there's a way for us to help. Okay, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. And I'd love we're doing our consultations by Zoom, by phone, or in person. And they're all the same, so it doesn't matter. The most common type of consultation is by Zoom because we're in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the place, right? Again, today, I just got back from New York after representing one of our clients in a citizenship interview, which she passed and has been recommended for citizenship. So after her oath ceremony, she will receive her naturalization certificate and become a citizen of the United States, which is incredible, which is really, really incredible. I know that is a dream for so many folks joining us here today, and hopefully we can help you realize that dream. Give us a call at 703-348-1663. You can also reach us on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Check out our Facebook page. Handle is Agarwal Immigration. If you want to keep joining us here, which you should, you can follow us and like us on all our social media platforms. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook and YouTube, and share this with others. Share this with your friends or family that might be interested in immigration, that might want to join us for this immigration conversation. Okay. All right. Alex says, I applied for a VAWA and got an update saying that my case was transferred to a new office and has jurisdiction. What does that mean? It actually doesn't mean anything bad. Alex, I know a lot of our clients get nervous once the case gets transferred to a different office, but usually it's just so they can process applications in a timely manner. So typically all the VAWA applications, we're going to Vermont Service Center at first. Now we file them in Nebraska. And sometimes Vermont has capacity. And of course, the people in Vermont are trained to process VAWA petitions. So it'll get transferred over to Vermont or a different service center. So it's nothing to be worried about. They're not saying anything about how strong or not strong your case is. They just have more capacity in one service center than another. And that's why they are transferring your case over there. Okay? Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help with all types of immigration applications, humanitarian cases like VAWA, T visas for trafficking, U visas. We help with family cases and business immigration cases as well. Hopefully, we can talk with you and see what possibilities there are for you and figure out a path for you to receive a visa, a green card, and hopefully citizenship here in the United States. Okay? All right. Mojo says my marriage application was denied and I have 33 days here in the US. What do I do? Well, you have one option of appealing if you thought the decision is wrong. I would definitely schedule a consultation and see what's going on. Maybe you can apply for a self petition, right? There are situations when perhaps your spouse sabotages the green card interview. If they're abusive towards you, if they're mad at you for some reason, if they want to have power over you, sometimes we have seen the spouse may sabotage that green card interview and act like they don't know you, or lie, or say that you're using them for a green card. So if it is a real marriage, right? So if you entered into a fraud marriage, this is not an option for you. But if it is a real marriage, you lived with your spouse, you entered into it hoping to start a life together, and it did not turn out the way you had thought, you might be eligible to apply for a green card on your own without the help of your spouse. So this is huge. You should take advantage of it if you are eligible for it, right? It's not worth being out of status when you can apply on your own and you qualify to legally receive a green card here in the United States. So give us a call and potentially we can help you figure out a plan and help assist you with applying for a self-petition and possibly a green card as well. If you're married to a US citizen or a green card holder and that marriage did not work out, or it's not currently working out, right? You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. All right, guys, I'm going to have to let you go today, but I will be on again tomorrow. Make sure you like us and follow us on our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. It's been wonderful to chat with you guys today, and I hope that you learned something helpful about U.S. immigration. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and make sure you share this with others. If you have others that are interested in immigration, share this post with them and make sure you like and follow us on all our social media platforms. We're Agarwal Immigration on everything. All right, I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.